Okay, so I am going to show you how to create an assignment in Canvas. So what you want to do is over on the left-hand tab over here, you want to click on Assignments and then go to the blue box that says Plus Assignment. You can either click there, or there are two different categories set up for this course, and I'm not sure if that's how you want it or not. So we could actually delete this category and just make everything assignments, or we could leave two categories in here. It's kind of up to you, so I'm going to let you decide that. But just to create a standard assignment, I'm going to put it under this assignments category. And so this assignment is called I'll just call it Chapter 1 Reading for now. And I forget the due date. I think you wanted it due already, so I'm going to just push it out another week. Have it due next Wednesday by midnight. I don't know if you want to give them that long. You can go back in here and change that if you would like. So I have it due on the 18th, or I'm sorry, the 24th at midnight. It's going to be worth, I don't know how many points you want to make it worth, so I'm going to make it 5. You would just need to go in and edit this so that just click on edit, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. I always click on more options, and then what you'll see here are, you can actually put a prompt in here, so I will leave that up to you. You do have to put something in here. So I'll just put something randomly in here. And then you can go back and fill in whatever your requirements are for that assignment. Here's where you can change the point value. If you wanted to put it in the out-of-class participation points, you could put it there, but I'll just leave it in assignments for now. You want to display everything as points. If you want students to do something and make it complete or incomplete, I've done that before. You do want them to turn something in, and they're going to turn it in online. And I either let them do a text entry or a file upload. So what that means is they can either type into a text box, much like this text box up above, or they can just do a file upload from a Word document. So that's there. It's not a group assignment. They're not working in groups on this. It doesn't require peer review, but those options are available. You have it due for everyone, assigned to everyone, and due on the 24th at midnight. This is where you would change that if you want to change the due date. And then all you do, and I'm going to slide this box down a little bit, you click on Save and Publish. And now the assignment is actually on Canvas. So if you click on Assignments, Chapter 1 Reading Reflection is right there. So I am going to send out an announcement to your students. You do that by clicking on Announcements, add an announcement, and you can say the first assignment has now been posted. And that's all you have to do. And then I'm going to say down below, you always have to put something in this box. Please submit through Canvas. And that's all you do. And then hit save. And that should be it. So now the assignment's gone out to your student, the announcement's gone out to your students, the assignment's gone out to your students. They should be able to get in there and do that. It's been published. You can also unpublish it here. I left it published. And the announcement's there for the students, yes, and that's all you have to do, Bob. Thanks.